Previously on
Not yet, baby. You can help baby blow them out.
Teamwork, got it. Now we're all set for the big top charity kickball game. Ryder! Oh, what
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
birthday,
dear Cammy Cam. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Yay, baby. Help Bubby blow him out. Say,
1, 2.
got blow, baby. Look. Look, baby. Got blow. There you go. Yay! Yay!
You ready?
Say, 1, 2, 3. Oh.
Happy birthday
To you. Say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear baby. Happy birthday to you. You gotta blow them out. Say yeah. Go blow it out. Say, look, baby, look. Say, go blow it out. Oh, come on, baby. You got it. Do it again.
Yay!
Yay, baby! Hi! You gotta hold on. Hold on, baby. Hi, Cammy. Oh, say hi, Cammy. What's wrong? You sighing? You didn't want to leave? It's okay. We can go to the park or something after we go get food. I know. You was having fun.
Oh, wait.
Officer, how the hell you get out of here?
Okay.
You was having fun and we had to leave.
In 1.3 miles, turn right.
Go on that side.
I think it's because it's not too cold that can be chilling too.
Yeah. Yay!
Go, Cam.
Whoa!
Get it, Cammy. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I know I've been MIA, but I've been MIA for good reason. Your girl has started beauty school. I've been in for about 2.5 weeks now, if I'm not mistaken, and your girl's been on it. I'm gonna drop some photos for you guys. As far as like what I've done so far with hair, we're not on makeup or anything or skin like that yet, but I felt like, you know what, this is the perfect time for me to vlog my journey, because I'm always vlogging the usual stuff, and I wanted to share something that was a little bit more personal with you guys. So right now I'm just doing my makeup before class. It is currently like 7:48. I have to be at class by 9. I think I can get a full face of makeup done before then. We're about to see. Okay, guys, so this is the finished results. I think it's like 7:30 something, 7:40 something now. I'm actually about to put on my shoes and go out the door. Y'all see that Journey Beauty in the back. Y'all know what lip gloss I'm wearing because y'all know I don't go nowhere without it. Period. So I'm actually about to go out the door. I need to put some gas in my car. I'm way late to doing that, but About to go out and do that right now. I hope it doesn't rain. I'm sick and tired of this rain. I'm ready for the fall. I don't know about you guys, but I'm definitely ready for the freaking fall. I am so over this summer heat. I'm so over being pregnant, which y'all is my last stretch. Your girl is 31 weeks today, and your girl hit 100 plus hours while at school too. So a whole lot of good stuff going on, but let's go ahead and get to class. Okay guys, so it's a new day. Yesterday I left fairly early. I was tired. I left around like 3. I didn't feel like sitting there anymore just because my daughter dropped lower than what she needed to drop. So I couldn't stand up anymore. But yeah, today's a new day. I'm leaving the grocery store. I had to get me some fruit in the mornings because I'd be hungry. And then I'm not doing what I'm supposed to do as far as feeding myself. So, well, I be feeding myself. I just don't do what I'm supposed to do in the morning. So I'm not really a breakfast person, but yeah. So I'm heading back to school this morning. Got my fruit, got my Snapple. Yeah. And why am I doing that? I was about to do a whole bunch of hard work just then. Yeah, so let's go ahead and go because I have to be there. Oh, I got time. I think I didn't have time. So yeah, but y'all, I'm on the last stretch of this pregnancy. I am 31 weeks today, well, yesterday. And I feel like I'm so much farther than that. Like, I just feel like I'm already like 36 or 37 weeks. I'm ready to give birth. I'm ready to see my daughter. I'm ready to have my family completed. I'm ready to like get back out there in the beauty world and do my makeup. Well, not just my makeup, but you know, take my clients again and meet new clients because now I have hair services available and I have so many other services like coming. You guys just don't understand. Like, I still have 3 more things I want to do before I feel like my service list is complete, and I'm like so ready to do it. Like, I've added some stuff. So if y'all know me or want to know what I have so far and you're in the area that I'm in and looking to get your makeup or your hair done or both, or for whatever occasion, because you know your girl got you, be sure to click the link in the description box and tune in to my booking site to see all that I have to offer, and then some, because I try to update it weekly because I like to add new stuff, the ones that I feel more comfortable with. So yeah, so be on that. But let me go ahead and eat this fruit and get to school.